blinded by the light, wrapped up like a deuce.
Hey folks, it's Adam from 911reviews.com. That always reminds me of Ryan from Woof, if you ever saw The Office, you remember that? So anyway, we've got these outdoor solar lights. Been using them in the backyard overlooking the lake recently. You can tell that these are actually used. It's been raining all day, so they're actually a little bit wet, if you can tell that. And yeah, they've been in the ground. I've been testing them out for a couple days now, and they're super awesome. 12 LEDs. You see when it gets dark, as if I'm simulating darkness by covering the solar panel, they do come on. Solar LED lights, let's look at them. Now they come 2 to a pack. I've only pulled 1 out of the yard to show you up close and personal in the video. And like I said, they are wet because it was raining all day, and they are waterproof, so that's super awesome. So Biling is the company. They're actually very compact, they're pretty small, but the LED technology really lasts a long time. And if you haven't purchased solar lights lately, go get a new set. Battery technology on solar lights is so much better than it's ever been. The solar panels is so much better than it's ever been. And the LEDs use so much less power, so they last longer and are more efficient than ever. So let's look at this. The pack comes with 2 solar spotlights, 2 spikes, 2 screws, 2 wall plugs, and a user manual. User manual. User manual. That's Spanish. No. So they're really easy to assemble. I don't have to tell you too much about it. I did use the spike option. Now this one does have a little bit of dirt on it, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it apart just so we can see. One thing about it is you can just put it short, close to the ground. It does come with screws, and you can just screw it into like a piece of wood, anything like that. I put them on a taller stake, so a little bit of dirt on it. Again, these are actually used. I purchased them new and I used them this week. And then I have a little bit taller sticking out of the ground like this. So let's go ahead and have an overlay, and you can see what they look like first off in the daytime. And you can see just easy to set up. You just stick them in the ground, takes you seconds to do. And then I will also show you what they look like at night. So installation, choose dim mode, bright mode, and the power settings. So there is a on-off switch essentially right here, boop, that you're gonna wanna turn on the first time you use them. And they're just easy to use, very efficient, highly recommended. You're gonna want something like this. For me, the big selling point is getting a lot of illumination in your yard, because it's been proven that crime goes down dramatically when there's lights. People aren't going to creep into your yard, steal your stuff, break into your house if there's a spotlight on them. So you're gonna look for those dark areas of your yard, and you're gonna put a couple lights like this, and it's gonna make a world of difference. Whatever it is, people are way less interested in breaking into a house if they feel like they can be seen. So that's a big thing there. Now also security and safety. Safety is the other thing. Think about it this way. You walk around outside, you step off the porch, you don't know where the edge of the porch is. Well, if you got a light, you know exactly where everything is. One little light like this, just displaying right outside by your door, can illuminate enough to where you can get just enough idea throughout the yard, through 10, 15, 20, 30 feet, where those little dips are, where the steps are, where the unsafe areas are. I have a lake. I put illuminated lights, solar lights on the dock. It makes it where no one's gonna fall off. Your insurance company will thank you. You won't have lawsuits of somebody saying, hey, it was so dark, I tripped. They can't use that if you have a nice little solar light out there. Save yourself thousands of dollars of expense and hassle and lawsuits. Somebody tripping, falling, breaking a leg, breaking an ankle, hitting themselves on the noggin, having some major issues because you don't have the proper illumination in your yard. So safety and security, keep those robbers away. A simple light will do tons of things when it comes to getting rid of the creepers. Also, a simple light will make it safer for you. So twofold there. I like to, you know, my dog sometimes likes to go out, she likes to go to the bathroom every night before bed. Well, guess what? The little light makes her so much more comfortable out there. She enjoys it. Janetti absolutely likes having a little bit of illumination in the yard. Makes me feel better. I can keep an eye on her, make sure she's not getting into it, because we live on a lake and there's woods. possums, squirrels, raccoons. She could get into anything. She's a mess. She's a sweet old lady, but she's still a dog. Having a little bit of light out there allows me to keep an eye on her. And before I open the door, make sure there's not something out there, right? I know I used to live in northern Michigan. You want a light, make sure there's not a bear out there. True story. So anyway, folks, make sure to click like and subscribe. We have new videos all the time. I'm Adam from 911reviews.com. If you like this video, go ahead and click like. Click the notification bell for all of our updates. And if you'd like me to do a product review for you, email me at 911productreviews@gmail.com. And of course, if you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. I'd be happy to respond if it's a question that I know the answer to. Anyway, thanks for watching and adios, amigos. Thumbnail.
And don't forget to subscribe to our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. So if you love gadgets and entertainment, then be sure to subscribe to 911 Reviews.